Hey friends, I just wanted to jump on real quick to share with you guys how easy it is to grate fresh Parmesan cheese in the Deluxe cooking blender. Yeah, in the blender. Check it out. So what I have done, I'm going to pick you guys up. I've cut all my chunks of my Parmesan cheese and then I'm going to place it into the blender. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on here. I'm going to remove the lid. And I saved the rind pieces because I love putting it in my soups and my pasta sauces. So I'm just going to grab all these chunks here, put them in the blender. Alright, got them all in the blender. I'm going to go ahead and, kind of hard to do this one-handed. Ooh, let's try that. Okay. So that little dee-dee-dee-dee lets me know that my lid is on. So then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go to my grind setting. And I'm going to hit the power button. Making any sounds, I go ahead and turn it right off. Look at how nice and fluffy our cheese is. Oop, kind of hard to do it with one hand. There we go. Oh my goodness. Nice, freshly grated Parmesan cheese.